Hello friends, we will understand resistor and their types. Okay, so basically resistor is nothing but the passive electronic device, and we'll go through the basic guide of resistor, their classification. We already had a video on resistor, so you can just go and check because resistors are connected in series, in parallel, and there are a number of way how we are using the resistor. So resistor is nothing but the passive electronic component which limits the and regulate the flow of electric current in a circuit, which we already see in every circuit. So to control the voltage and to control the current, because of the Ohm's law, R is directly proportional to V and inversely to the R. So to control both of them, we need a resistor, and that's only the Ohm's law says V is equal to IR. That means R is equal to V by I. So the resistors have different types. These are the fixed resistors. Okay, so you can see like there are a number of resistors. These are the fixed resistor, thick film, LDR, thin film resistor. What we have, that are the variable resistors. Okay, so these are the different type of resistor which I already shown in one video. I made a separate video on that. Just go and check what actually the resistors are looking like. And there are three types of main resistor. So we can say like resistors are of fixed value. So we can identify that by using a color code. So color code is again a big topic. You can go and check the video on the same. Then there are variable resistor and spatial resistor. So variable resistors are nothing but the resistor of which we change the value. And spatial resistors are the light dependent resistor. We can say current sense resistor. So these are the spatial resistor. First we will see fixed resistors. So basically fixed resistor, as its name indicates, has a fixed value and it is not going to change. So there are again a type: carbon composition, metal film resistor, and the wire one. So how they look like? You can see these are the fixed resistor, and by you can see that there is a change in manufacturing. These are the carbon composition resistors. These are metal films, and these are the wire one. But all the resistors have color code, and you can find out the value of resistor by color code, which we already gone through. Just go and check the video. Then we have the variable resistor. As its name indicates, the value of the resistance is going to change. So we can adjust it from 0 to the value which is mentioned over there. Again here the types are available. So potentiometers are there. Then we have rheostats and we have what, trimmers. So what is potentiometer? Now you can see these are the variable resistor. So the one which is looking like a 3-terminal device and having a big knob is a potentiometer. Then this is the rheostat, which is a big element where you can change the resistance by changing this part. If you are moving this part, its value gets changed. If you move this, the potentiometer's resistance gets changed. And these are the trimmers with a different size and shape. They are small in size. You can place them on a small circuit too. Now we have the resistor that are special purpose resistor. So what exactly special purpose resistors are? They are using for some unique specific functions. So example, if you are talking about the thermistors. Thermistors are what? They are temperature sensitive resistor which will respond to the change in temperature. LDRs are the light sensitive resistor, are respond to the change in light intensity. Then we have varistor that changes according to the change in voltage. So these are the some types of variable special resistors. So now you can see there are thermistors with the different shapes and sizes, and these thermistors are again there is a NTC, PTC in that, but thermistors are the one who respond to the temperature. Then we have LDR, light dependent resistor. How it works, you can go and check the video. So light dependent resistor will respond to the change in light. And we have varistor. So you can see this varistor in number of circuits. They respond to the variation on a resistor, variation on a voltage. So these are the resistor and having what are the applications? So simple application resistors are having is a passive component, right? So we are mostly using it to limit the current. So how we limit the current? We use it to voltage division purpose also, and in a timing circuits with a capacitor we are using it as a pull up pull down resistor in our digital circuits too. So here are the some application. You can see like there is in a first figure you can see that there is a current limit resistor used to limit the current of LED. Then we have another voltage division. So here we have V in V out and two resistors are used to divide the voltage. You can go and check the video. And these are the pull up and pull down resistor. So what the pull up resistor is? Pull up resistor is nothing but connected to the VCC, and pull down is the one who connected to the ground. One terminal connected to the VCC is pull up resistor and one terminal connected to the ground is pull down resistor, and they are using for logic high, logic low in a digital logic circuit. So these are the types of resistor we have gone through. So what you exactly going to know over here is it's a very fundamental electronic component, and it is having number of application using each and every circuit. So it is used to control the current in signal processing. Hope you understand the video.
Do subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to get more about electronics. Thank you.